I'm going to explain to you guys why I'm going to be shorting the hell out of GameStop. You guys, this is an opportunity to make a ton of money. Do not miss out on this video. I'm telling you, stay tuned until the end of the video. Guys, if you haven't already yet, please like this video, click that subscribe button, keep up to date with my daily content that I post here on my YouTube channel. And you guys, let's freaking get right into it. I'm gonna make this video pretty quick. I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm gonna be shorting GameStop in this video. I'm telling you guys, this is something you're really not gonna wanna miss. I do believe GameStop can see probably 120 to even 115, you guys. So, going into the charting analysis of GameStop, GME. You guys, this is something you're really not gonna wanna miss. It's a meme stock. I think GameStop's bullshit. Overall, we see a rising wedge. This is exactly what I was explaining to my mentees this morning when I was on the chat. Hey guys, like I said, don't miss out on what I'm about to tell you. So on GameStop, if we pull it up on the daily time frame, I'm literally going to give you guys the insights, give you guys all the secrets of why I'm going to be shorting GameStop right here in this video. So be sure to click this like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, you need to keep up to date with my daily content. This could be the biggest short opportunity of your life in making over 500 to 1,000% by Friday market freaking close. So, and I'm making this video July 14th, and it's about noon right now in the stock market. There's about 2 hours left before the market closes, and I'm going to explain to you why I'm shorting the fuck out of GameStop. Let's roll, baby. Okay, so daily time frame GameStop. Guys, like I said, I'm going to make this video not too crazy long. So you guys, we hit a high. Everybody was buying calls while I said, I'm shorting the hell out of GameStop. I bought calls too. Guess what? We made 65% on our calls position up above when we bought. I think we bought around 148. I want to say 149. And we rode this shit up to about 150 for 65%. Right now we are in GameStop puts and we are up. I'm going to tell you guys in 1 second. We are up 67% right now on our puts position. I'm going to swing the hell out of this position. I'm going to ball out, make money, and I'm going to show you guys the opportunity of a lifetime right now playing this with only a capital size of one position being $660 in one position and the next one being $1,800. I'm going to try to turn this into 5 to 1,000%, you guys. Right now, we're hovering about, GameStop's dropping as we speak, we're hovering about 75% in profits. So, right here, CCI is overextended, okay? Usually, majority of the time, I don't like playing it until we get a nice confirmation below the third top line going into any stock that we're playing. And then I like to let it confirm with the breakout of a falling wedge now, or a rising wedge. Now, like I said, you guys, this is still an opportunity to come back in and short this. Depending where it actually finishes off today, I'm going to be holding my positions no matter what because I already sold 50% of my positions for a 75% gain or 65. I can't remember exactly. I can look at my fill orders. So about 63%. Roughly right there, that I sold for half my contracts right off the table, right off the bat. So I secured half my position. Now, we're going into tomorrow's trading day, followed into Friday, right? Tomorrow's Friday. I'm looking to probably play GameStop all the way around to 130 range, even dropping down probably, I know it sounds crazy, guys, but probably even down to 125, honestly. GameStop, usually when it makes these significant moves, it can drop. Now, you guys, for a better confirmation on your entry for puts, okay, for a better confirmation for entry for puts is going to be the break of this rising wedge trend right here that you see. So it's holding this trend. It shot up to 150 at the highest, or 152, followed by a breakdown to almost down to now at 139. You guys, that was a great short opportunity. I should have taken it up here. Honestly, I didn't. I got into shorts around 141, 142, and it's at 139.50 right now. Still holding our position strong. If you guys want to be safer on the safer side, buy 2 weeks out. So next week's expiration, you don't need to buy Fridays. I do have Friday's expiration, But you can buy next week's expiration and play a safer bet right there. We can probably see GameStop all the way back down to 115, honestly, by next week, Friday. Safer bet. Now, confirmations, right? Rising wedge, we're getting on the daily time frame. When I saw this opportunity to short GameStop, you guys, this was an opportunity of a lifetime. Usually when I see a huge dump like this, you guys, I like playing it. I like getting in. I'm in for the ride. And like I said, I got in around this area right here. Right now, we're just consolidating and we're hovering about 60% up. You guys, this is insane. This is insane with tomorrow's expiration. Now, if it goes as planned, we play it until Friday market close. Again, looking for about a 500% move. If GameStop opens up at 130, you guys, this is doomed. I'll tell you, this is doomed. This stock is doomed. GameStop's overextended, completely, utterly overextended. So don't try to play against the trend, you guys. Again, we already secured about 50% in profits. Another buy opportunity where I will be buying in is going to be in, why did I go to the weekly? I meant the daily. I'm going to be buying in on the break of this rising wedge. If it breaks below this with the CCI indicator crossing the top third line, you guys, towards the downside, I am short on GameStop. Don't miss this opportunity. I wouldn't be surprised if GameStop opens up around 135 to 130 tomorrow pre-market, going into the market hours. I'm swinging the hell out of GameStop. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Like I said, I keep reiterating that because I do want you guys to make tons and tons of money. Now, I am quite bullish on the market because we are holding USO calls. We are holding USO calls, which were up. I like to check on my phone because I do all my trading from my phone, you guys. USO, I'm a little bit irritated with because my contracts just keep decaying. I think I bought really terrible contracts, to be honest, on this. USO, I am up 18% right now, so we're looking quite good on USO. Microsoft as well. Microsoft, let's see how much we're up on Microsoft. So Microsoft, we are up 18% on Microsoft, looking great on that. I think we can still have an opportunity to see a pump up on Microsoft all the way probably up to, let me fix these fib lines. Man, I really got to get better with, I'm just so eyed to the market, you guys. So our next price target for Microsoft is going to be right here. I mean, I'm giving you guys all the plays, but again, this video probably won't come out until the last hour. Microsoft is going to be 254 price target, 254.80. Probably going to sell it around maybe 253.80 or something like that, or maybe even 254. I don't want to hold it right to the fib lines because remember, those are psychological number levels where we can see, yes, the stock push up to, but we also want to be conservative and sell slightly before those psychological numbers because in most cases, we actually end up getting fucked on these positions just slightly shy of 50 cents or maybe even like $1 at most. So that's why I said maybe a good sell point would be 253 up to this high of this day, 253.50 or even 254. You can probably run up some runners on that. And yeah, I mean, you guys, that's pretty much it. This is going to be a crazy, crazy trading freaking day, you guys. Telling you, do not miss out on this opportunity. If you want to make money, this is the way to go. If you want to be sitting on the sidelines, not making any money, then, keep doing what you're doing. If it's working out for you, obviously stick to it. You guys, I literally offer the best course on this where you can legitimately make money alongside with myself and my admin that I have in the group. And we literally print people money in the group. I'm telling you, come try us out. It's literally, not even that expensive. Honestly, in my overall opinion, you make your money back within probably one day. I have been on a hot streak these past 2 weeks. You guys, in probably total of like 35 alerts, I probably messed up on 4 alerts. I'm right now 31 for 35 of my alerts. They all basically run up over 50 to 100%, you guys. Even with people entering late positions, they make money. Now, again, this isn't like a selling point where I'm trying to be like, oh yeah, get into my program. I don't care, you guys. Go join my free Discord. Join my free Discord. Take some of my free alerts. I'm gonna be honest, I don't send out free alerts in there. It's majority for my VIP members because again, you guys, it's not expensive. You're either paying 35 bucks a week or $100 a month. You guys, you make your money back within your freaking first day of joining. But other than that, you guys, let's freaking roll, baby. Let's make some money, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.